Alright, so this stuff is terrible for machines. Keeps getting clogged. That's blocking the air going into the radiator. So this thing keeps getting hot. I think we're almost done though. Well, we are almost done. But this is why I rented a machine. Because I have a skid steer. This brush hog is mine. But my skid steer, I think it'd be a terrible idea to try and cut this stuff with my skid steer. Because I don't have any of those screens on the radiator. Or hydraulic coolers or any. I don't have any screens on the hydraulic coolers. So this stuff would just kill my machine. But all I got left is that little bit right there, and then I got to clean up along the pond edge. I already did around the trees and along that whole tree line, just so that it doesn't keep making its way into the field. I don't know what these people do with it, but I think they just like having a nice view behind their house on the other side of their lake. So I'm gonna let this thing cool down for a little bit, and then hopefully get that last little bit over there. I probably only got another 10 or 15 minutes over there, but it's just getting too hot because this stuff keeps blocking those screens and it's not getting any airflow. This is another really annoying thing about this machine. Watch the mower go down. As soon as you turn on the hydraulics or the auxiliary hydraulics, the mower just tilts forward gradually. And then if I go to pull the lever up for it to go in, it drops the mower. But if I pull it all the way, it goes up. But if I don't pull it over fast enough, it'll drop right back down. Like if I try and do it a little bit. So that's kind of annoying, but we're at safe operating temperature. I just don't know if I want to give it another minute yet or not.